Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Shoaib, and this is my assignment for the IoT subject. The topic is smart barrier, and this is the user interface of the assignment. And in this user interface, the entry gate LED is showing the status of the entry barrier, and exit gate LED is showing the status of the exit barrier, and both are initially off. The red light indicates that the gate is closed. The first three buttons, they are used to enter using a valid UTM card IDs. These buttons are emulating the entry through three different card IDs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next three buttons, they are emulating the exit through the using uh, three the same three cards. So the functionality of the project is like this, that if for example someone enters through uh, using this ID 123 card, so the entry gate becomes open green, and the description shows that ID 123 enters, and after 5 seconds the gate is off, gate is closed, which is indicated by a red light. And since it is already inside, if I press again, so it says ID 123 is already entered and the gate is not open. So if I exit this user, so the exit gate is open and it says ID 123 exits, and after 5 seconds the gate is closed again. And if I again exit from this ID, it says ID 123 enter first, and the gate is not open. And similarly the same applies to the rest, like if I enter using this ID, so it says ID 456 enters and the gate is open for 5 seconds. And if I again enters, then it says that ID 456 already entered and the gate is not open. And if I exit like this, so it says ID 456 exit and the gate is open. So this is the functionality of the smart barrier. Now if we look at the flows, there are two flows. One is, this flow is for the entry barrier and this flow is for the exit barrier. So what I'm using is I'm getting this input, three inputs from these three buttons. They are using this JSON format, ID 123, 456 and 789. So in this function node, I am using three global variables: global 1, global 2 and global 3. These variables are used to store the status of the each ID, entry against IDs, and since if there is no already no one has already entered using this ID, then it updates the status of the global variable 1. And I'm using global variable 6 for uh, controlling the gate entry gate LED, and global variable 8 for displaying the message that ID 123 enters. So these three conditions are for the detecting a valid ID, and these three conditions, that if someone is already entered, so these three conditions are detecting the condition that ID is already inside. And for the uh, entry gate LED, I'm using this global variable 6, which I have updated in the case of valid entries, to detect to open the gate. So this I am controlling using this trigger node. I am setting it true, and after 5 seconds making it false. and then updating this entry gate LED here. So this is my entry gate logic, and this is my exit logic. In the exit logic, same I am using 3 buttons with the same ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 using JSON format. And in this function node I am retrieving back the status of these global variables and then detecting a valid exit. If somebody is inside, then this is valid exit, and then setting the status to global variable. The global variable 7 I am using for controlling the LED on the exit gate, and 8 I am using for displaying the message. Uh, the exit gate LED, I am using the global variable 7 to control this LED, and trigger node is same. I am using true, and then after 5 seconds making it false. And one thing is this description message. This is updated through this global variable 8, which I am updating in every valid entry and exit condition, and displaying it on the debug node, like here, different messages, and also on the user interface here. So this concludes my demonstration of the assignment. Thank you so much.